What are you up to today?
We're gonna restore this Pepsi Cola cooler.
Yeah, it looks like that drain might need to replace there.
It's so rusty, the
plug.
cap won't come off. Yeah, it's got a rusty drain plug.
Yeah, it's real rusty. Can't get the cap on it. Need to get another drain plug in there.
Okay.
Get that. Try to wire brush all that rust off at first. Try to get that nut off there. Get a little WD-40 on pliers. She got pliers on the inside. I got them on the outside. Looks like the nut's coming off. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Had to wire brush that to get that rust off there a little bit. That drill. Get the drain plug out. We was able to get the drain plug out, which a little bit hard, but got the rust and WD-40 around it. Come off pretty good. Looks like we got it out.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think about that drain plug here?
That's pretty rusty.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my. Let's get a different one in there.
Yes. Get it all clean. Try to get it all cleaned up here in a little bit. It's pretty dirty inside that cooler.
Yeah.
Try to get it all cleaned up a little bit.
Bring new life to it, huh?
Yeah. I was saying that right some of that with the wire wheel off that rust there.
Oh yeah.
Getting ready for painting.
That's pretty neat. You got a little grinding wheel on a drill.
Mm-hmm.
Wire brush thing.
Yeah. Getting that rust off there right now.
Okay.
There's that drain plug hole again.
Yeah.
Gotta clean that up a little bit.
There's rust marks on the inside, didn't it?
Yeah. It's dirty in it for a little while. Hey, you got cleaned up there pretty good.
It's looking better.
You and me both.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Oh, painting around the top of it now. Heck yeah. Oh, we got another
Oh, you
drain
got
plug
it
in there.
in.
Yeah. Painting it a little bit there. Cover up the rust.
Yeah. Matches pretty good.
It's looking good, that Pepsi cooler. Thank God. He lets us get things done.
Yeah.
He helps us out quite a bit.
Yeah.
A lot. Cooler's looking good. Yeah. The drain plug's in there, another one.
Oh yeah, that's better.
And there's the final project.
Put the lid on.
And ready to cool things down. Cooler.
Yeah. Full of ice and a good cold Pepsi.
Yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
To restore this cooler.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.